Today we are doing a green alien makeup tutorial. So first we're going to start off with skincare and primer. I use the Milani blurring primer, it's my fave. And then I'm using this paint that I got off TikTok shop. It's the Athena palette. Cover my entire face with green. And then I'm going to do my contour. So using a darker green from the same palette, I'm going to blend it down in the areas I want to be more chiseled. And so I do my cheekbones, I do my forehead, and then I actually do my nose as well. Make it look nice and skinny. I start by doing a line and then just blending it out, basically. And then I'm using this kimchi powder, the setting powder. I use it all over and use a lot. You don't want it moving. And using eyeshadow from a Morphe palette, I'm just doing more contour on top of the contour I already did, except with eyeshadow. So that's actually going to make my lips look a little bit bigger, give that illusion. And this is just obviously green eyeshadow. Alright, so the very fun part is coming up, but first we gotta get off this contour and just brush off the setting powder, okay, and then use the setting spray. Alright, here, we're drawing the eyeballs. I'm just measuring with my eye and just moving it down to about half my face, around my nose, and so I'm using that paint from the same palette, except in white. This actually took me a while. I had to redo it a couple times, but I like how it turned out. Stay tuned. Now I'm just drawing my iris, and then we'll be drawing the different colors in my iris. We're doing green, a little bit of darker green, and a little bit of blue. And I'm using both eyeshadow and the paint for this part. Get the outside of it all darkened up so it looks more realistic. Okay, Alright, so after we're doing that, we gotta draw on the eyelid. And so what I'm doing here is basically just trying to copy and paste my actual eyeshadow and eyeball to my cheek. So this is my best attempt, obviously. Blending it out, putting in the pupil. Perf. And during this whole process, I'm making sure that everything looks even to the best of my ability. And I actually do underline that waterline on the drawn on eye. Do the top a little bit. Blend it out, give it that darker crease so it looks like the top. Okay, and so this is me adding in kind of more of that eye crease so it looks more like a lid than just painted on my face. I ended up lining my waterline and then redoing the waterline on my eye and on the pupil part. And then adjusting the white just to make sure it sticks out a little more, a little better. Highlight on my nose, and I also do it on the top of my lip, just to give it that illusion. Blending it all out to look the same. Alright, darken that up, give it more of a curve. And so I will be adding lashes and lipstick. Pause. Glitter as well. I forgot about that. Now, y'all, look at that. Look at that. Thank you so much for watching.